Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. Avon Park Aero Models Club. We're going to take up the Alpha Jet. Today is December 22nd, 2022, right before Christmas. I've changed it up a little bit. This time I've got a Spectrum 4000, a little further forward than the 5000 China Hobby. And let's see if I can't get her to land a little bit, not take up the entire runway to land. She carries so much momentum. Now, look at the flaps. I've got them down as far as they can go, and they actually dig into the fuselage or the nacelles. So I might cut the corners off. I know it looks stupid, but I can get a lot more deflection to slow this plane down, because once she lands, man, she just keeps rolling and rolling and rolling. And brakes would be great. All right, I'm on mid rates, which for me is 80% over 15% expo. All right, we'll start our timer over. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Takeoff flaps, right, left, up, down, right, left.
Gear up. Flaps up. Gear down.
Huh.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear up.
Oh, that's a beautiful plane. Isn't that a beautiful plane?
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Sorry if I just seem like, boy, all you're doing is flying around, you know. Well, I'm getting used to this jet. Hold on.
Flaps up. Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
Okay, I'm dead sticking her this time. Well, dead sticking her may be the way to do it. Let's try that again. That wasn't a, you know what? No, don't completely dead stick her, because she needed to have more time. Yeah, I'll make up my mind eventually.
Flaps up.
But she rolls and rolls and rolls. Okay.
Takeoff.
Takeoff flaps. You know what?
Up.
We're not going to do any takeoff flaps.
Gear up.
Let you get a good look at her.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Yeah, I just got to get used to how she flies. She definitely want to maintain some speed with her.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Not bad. I think, hey, she might, hey, I'm just tickled she stayed on the runway.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
She definitely want to use takeoff flaps. It would be, she would land even better if I had some wind to fly her into.
Takeoff.
But I've got no wind.
Flaps up. Gear up.
All right, we're gonna make one pass with the gear down or the gear up. Yeah.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
That was my 30-second warning.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
In the grass, but that's okay. That was a great landing.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh man, what a great jet. Yeah, I just need to get them, just gotta find a way to get them flaps down a little bit more. What a great flying jet. Good looking plane too. All right, well there you go. Now, and you say, well, she looks like she landed. This, the runway is not even at all. It's got poles and everything in it. You say, well, it looks fine. This runway is not asphalt. This runway is 6 gigantic sheets of geotech, which is nothing more than a very thick canvas that's been stretched over the land. The land has been rolled, and then this canvas, and if you look real close, you can kind of see these little spots. Those are pins, real long pins that hold the fabric in the ground. And of course, then the grass grows around the edges. And this particular airfield, the Hurricane Ian came through here, went right over this, well, pretty close to this field, didn't touch this field at all. We had a little bit of damage to the club. One of our stands got blown over, and that's all the damage we had. We had a little bit of soffit damage, then also to our clubhouse over there, we had a little bit of soffit and fascia damage. But that's all we had. But this jet here, I mean, it takes every bit of this runway. And if I can just find a way, I think I'm going to have to shave a little of, you see look at the bottom of those flap doors there. See how closely they touch the fuselage? I think if I was to maybe round off the corners a little bit, then I could get a little more down deflection and slow this bad boy down. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Merry Christmas 2022. Bye-bye, y'all.